Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to invest in stocks on Sofi. Let's get straight into it. First you got to do is to open a Sofi Invest account. You can do that by first downloading the Sofi app, or you could go to Sofi's website and log into your account. And then once you're logged in, you want to click on Invest and then Get Started. Now you're going to fill out the registration form with your personal and financial information, and then you need to fund your account with at least $1. Next step is to choose your investment type. So you got to decide whether you want to invest in individual stocks or you want to invest in ETFs. You got to consider Sofi's active investing or automated investing options. Next is to select your stock. So browse through Sofi's stock catalog or search for specific stocks, and you can filter stocks by criteria like market cap, sector, or dividend yields, and add stocks to your watch list, or you could just invest directly. Next is to set your budget. So you determine how much you want to invest in each stock and set a budget for your overall investment portfolio. Next is to execute your trade. So you can use Sofi's trading platform to buy or sell stocks. You can also choose from market order, limit order, or stop loss order. And don't forget to monitor your trades and adjust your portfolios as needed. Next is to monitor and adjust your portfolio so you can track your investment performance on Sofi's dashboard. You can also rebalance your portfolio periodically to maintain your target asset allocations. Also, you can adjust your investment strategies as your financial goals or risk tolerance changes. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to invest in stocks on Sofi. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found it useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.